Are you ready for new Outlook? Don't worry, it's not a trick question. In this series of articles, we'll look at how new Outlook is different, why it's important, and how it will impact businesses. The first version of Outlook appeared almost 27 years ago in 1997. Since then, it's matured to become a vital tool for most businesses, and it's spawned versions that run on mobiles, Outlook Web Access, Outlook.com, which was previously Hotmail, and of course you've got the Mac version. So whilst it's a very capable product that's on many platforms, it's also regarded by some as a multi-headed hydra. The problem is that it's very difficult and expensive to keep all of these variants of Outlook in sync and compatible. So Microsoft needed to simplify things. The ideal would have been a single application that would run on all platforms. But was this possible? Now, back in 2021, news started to trickle out about a project at Microsoft called Project Monarch. That was later known as One Outlook and is now known as New Outlook, which is indeed a single application that runs on all devices. So what is New Outlook? New Outlook is what's known as a progressive web app. Progressive web apps, or PWAs, are applications that you build using web technologies. They can be installed and run on all devices from one code base. Think of them as a browser-based application that can do a few extra things that a regular browser application can't do, like access your clipboard or run when you're disconnected from the internet. So New Outlook will cease to support the old versions of Outlook. The tide has changed and it's coming in. You can already try it. Take a look at the top right of your Outlook desktop interface and you'll see the toggle switch. Give it a go. It's perfectly safe, as you can toggle back if you don't like it. Microsoft are also trying to encourage people to move across by only adding certain new capabilities to New Outlook, and we'll cover these in future articles. So it's unavoidable, but don't panic. You will be moving to it, but it may not be this year. The problem for many will be their third-party applications. Whilst the simpler apps may work fine in the new environment, email management systems typically won't work. How, for example, can Outlook on a mobile phone write to your internal file system? That would be a security breach. And how can you search from a mobile phone? So what should you be doing to prepare? The first thing is to review the apps that you use with Outlook and check their compatibility, which may be full or partial. So test it yourself to ensure that it does everything that you need. As part of this process, consider your future needs. New Outlook makes it far easier for users to work with phones, tablets, and Macs. Is this flexibility important to you? If it is, be sure to check things work as required on the other devices too. For example, can you search for emails via any device? You could get a nasty surprise. If you're considering adopting CloudFiler, you'll be pleased to know that it already works with both old Outlook and New Outlook, and that it enables staff to file and search from any device.